All right, so down here at the hangars, I've been here all day trying to get everything ready to get the inspection completed and to get the cylinder installed. For those that have been following my videos, you know that ran into an issue with the cylinder, tried to eat itself. More specifically, an exhaust valve decided to separate while I was in flight and provided for some excitement. So here I am finally in a hangar, and unfortunately my mechanic was not able to make it today. Life happens, and so we had to schedule for tomorrow. But in the meantime, I've been getting everything ready, trying to getting all the inspection panels off, getting the seats removed, things that I'm allowed to do as the owner of the airplane. Unfortunately, as you can see right about there, the cylinder is still missing, so that's what we'll be working on tomorrow morning. Once we get that complete and do a test run, make sure the engine runs okay. I've got some mineral oil that you use while breaking in a new cylinder, so get everything running right, and hopefully we'll be able to do the rest of the inspection tomorrow as well. Shouldn't be too terrible because this is my second inspection. I've only ran it in about 50 hours since my last annual because the airplane's been out for the majority of the year. But we'll go through and do an extra careful inspection of the engine, just to make sure that I'm not going to have the same issue that I had with the one cylinder. Over the course of the next year, I'm probably going to be replacing all of the other 5 cylinders that have not been replaced yet, just because the last time the overhaul was done on this thing was 1979. That's when I was born, so it's been a while. So anyway, let's take a look and see what we got inside while we wait for my mechanic to arrive tomorrow. Alright, so there's the cylinder that's missing. It's the number 2 cylinder. This is an 0540 Lycoming engine, 235 horsepower, hence the Cherokee 235. Now, it's the exhaust valve from that cylinder that decided to eat itself, so during the inspection we're going to look at all the other cylinders to make sure that that metal didn't do any damage anywhere else. And then also on the bottom there and here you can see the filter, that white canister there. We're going to check all of that for any kind of filings, any kind of metal, anything that might have propagated anywhere else in the engine, just to make sure there's no issues. So the rest of this is just going to be showing you the panels that I spoke to that have been removed, and also the main landing gear. You'll notice that the strut, there's normally a skirt that is around that. It has been removed right there, that allow access to that inspection port there. There's one of the panels. There's 2 of them under each of the wings, and that just allows for access to look for any kind of corrosion, things like that. And then in the interior, you'll notice that the seats have been removed, and it gives you access to the instrument panel and things like that, different various things to look at during the inspection. So other than that, on the back side of the airplane, the tail cone has been removed to get access to the trim barrel, and you'll see that here in just a moment. That's been giving me problems with sticking, so that's something I'm going to have my mechanic take a look at. Anyway, that's all I got. This is for the annual inspection, and we'll see how everything goes, and I'll make a report after I'm done. We'll see you guys later.